Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Kubernetes locally with Docker Desktop, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Kubernetes locally with Docker Desktop, first, ensure that Docker Desktop is installed on your machine. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the official Docker website. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch Docker Desktop. Make sure Docker is running properly by checking the status in the Docker dashboard. Next, open the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of Docker Desktop. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Kubernetes tab. Check the option that says Enable Kubernetes. Click on the Apply and Restart button to save your changes. Docker will then start the Kubernetes installation process. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient as it sets up the necessary components. Once Kubernetes is successfully installed, you will see a green indicator next to the Kubernetes option. Now, you need to check if the Kubernetes command line tool, kubectl, is installed. To do this, open your terminal or command prompt. Type kubectl version and hit enter. If kubectl is installed, you will see the version information for both the client and server. If you receive an error, make sure you have Docker Desktop properly installed and running. Now that Kubernetes is set up, you can start creating and managing your containers. For example, to deploy a simple Nginx application, create a new file called nginxdeployment.yaml. In this file, define a deployment with the necessary specifications for the Nginx container. Next, apply the configuration by running the command kubectl apply f-nginxdeployment.yaml. To check the status of your deployment, run kubectl get deployments. You should see your Nginx deployment listed with its current status. To access the Nginx application, you will need to expose it by creating a service. Run the command kubectl expose deployment Nginx type equals node port equals 80. This will create a service that can be accessed through a node port. To find the node port assigned to your Nginx service, use the command kubectl get services. Take note of the node port number displayed under the port column. Finally, open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost frowny face node port. You should see the Nginx welcome page if everything was set up correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Kubernetes locally with Docker Desktop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.